In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a custom CTB file in AutoCAD. This is a crucial step if you want to ensure that your drawings print out with the specific line, weights, shading, and other visual properties that you've customized for your project. So, let's get started and make sure that your printing process is as smooth and accurate as possible. First things first, you'll need to have your CTB file ready. This file is essentially a color-dependent plot-style table, which allows you to map AutoCAD's 256 colors to specific pen settings for plotting. If you don't already have the CTB file, you might need to create it or get it from a source that matches the plotting requirements of your project. Once you have the CTB file in hand, we can move forward. Now that you're all set with your CTB file, we can dive into AutoCAD. Open up the application and pay attention to the command line at the bottom. Go ahead and type OP into that command line, which is short for options, and then hit enter. This will open up the options dialog box, where you can configure various settings for your AutoCAD environment. Look for the Files tab at the top of the options window. This tab contains paths to multiple folders that AutoCAD uses, and it's where you'll find the setting you need to adjust. Within the Files tab, you'll need to locate the Printer Support File Path option. This section is crucial because it contains the path settings for plot configurations. Click to open the drop-down menu next to it, and from there you should see another option named Plot Style Table Search Path. This is the folder where all your CTB files reside, and it's where we'll add your custom CTB file. Once you find the Plot Style Table Search Path, double-click on it. This action will open the folder path in your File Explorer. Make sure you keep things organized, as this folder is essential for how your plots will turn out. Now it's time to integrate your custom CTB file. Simply copy the CTB file you've prepared earlier and paste it into this folder. After pasting, you've effectively made your CTB file available for AutoCAD to use whenever you're setting up plots. With that done, you can close the File Explorer and return to AutoCAD. To ensure that everything is set up correctly, go ahead and open the Plot dialog by using the Plot command or by accessing it from your toolbar menu. Within this dialog, you should be able to see your custom CTB file listed among the options. You can now select it to ensure you're drawing plots according to the styles defined in the CTB file. And there you have it. You've successfully added a custom CTB file to AutoCAD, allowing for precise control over your plotting and ensuring your drawings come out just the way you want them. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting.